Today, explore the diamond wire loop cutting world. We've got a walnut wood sample for cutting. Open the box and check. We'll show the accurate cutting process with a diamond wire loop. Join in. Based on the sample, we choose a suitable wire loop. For gantry cutter 200, we use 1580 sized wire. Fix the sample firmly with professional fixtures to prevent displacement. Then, start the cooling system. Water cutting cools, prevents overheating, removes sawdust, and extends the wire loop's lifespan. Cuts at 30 to 60 meters per second. Efficiency and shortens processing time. After careful cutting, compare the samples. Meeting diverse needs.